Hi guys and welcome to this video. I'm having again one TPI in my garage. So I'm going to show you how much hours this bike has. 162, and the bike was working perfect. It had just too much hours, so I'm going to replace the piston. And it had two-stroke tank leaking again, I need to say, because the tank on this bike was replaced one time before. So this is the second tank. This is the updated version. As can you see, it has one crack here and another crack is here down. So on the sensor everything is okay, and this one tank is the older version. So crack here, same as on the new tank, and crack here. So that is very strange. And on this bike, when I changed the first time the tank, the crack was only on the sensor on the top, and it wasn't on this side. And this tank is from my bike. It also has the crack here on the bolt. Here is okay, but I had the crack down here, so I used some glue to fix it so I can ride it. And then when I got the new tank from my KTM dealer, I replaced it. So yeah, this is the KTM 300 piston from this bike. So it's the first piston. It's not so good, but not that bad. So it's okay for that much hours. This is the cylinder from this bike. It's looking very nice. I didn't expect to look like this with the first piston on that much hours. So it's okay. Here you can see the one mark. Here are some parts from the bike. So this bearing is really up. This hose for the air pressure sensor, it's blocked, not full blocked, but it's blocked. So it's not working perfect like this. Here you have the oil tank sensor. So yeah, so I'm going to maybe to get the new tank and install on this bike. I don't know what to do. And the bike is in nice condition. Only in the rear bearing has some play. I'm going to replace that also. So the bike is looking very nice. It's KTM 6 days France version. So yeah, thanks for watching this, and I'm going to update you more in future. I have repaired this KTM two-stroke tank. So I first welded this plastic, and then I used more plastic, so it's giving extra protection. It's not beautiful, but it's holding. I have tested it. Also, it's small crack here down. I also forgot to say you need to have this special tool to install this clamp. So the tank is in the bike. KTM TPI problems. Not the best bike, trust me. So on that KTM TPI I fixed the oil tank, so I needed to do oil bleeding for the oil pump, and I found the pump is not working. It had a strange noise, so I removed the rear subframe, lifted up and checked on the throttle body, and you can hear the pump, but the oil was not going inside. So I first think something is like blocked, like the hose or here this part. Then I removed the hose, cleaned it, but everything was clean. So I removed the oil pump and do again the oil bleeding. Then I found it's not working, clean it, and the oil pump was then working. But I ordered a new one because this is not anymore safe, so it can stop to work like any moment. So yeah, that is the update about that. So here I have the latest model of the KTM TPI. This one is 300 KTM. It's 2019 year. So this is the normal version, it's not the 6 days. So they fixed some problems, like now the ground cable from battery, it's attached to subframe aluminum. It's not anymore to the rear fender, and that is making huge difference. So this bike, it's almost brand new. I'm going to show you how much hours it has now. So just 4.5, so it's almost new. I installed the switch for the fan, so it's not on the relay. So the bike is working perfect, so no any problems, but it's brand new. So we are going to test it. So if there is any problems, we are going to update you. And yeah, so everything is same like on my bike. The ignition coil, this part, throttle body is also the same. Fuel pump, oil pump, air pressure sensor, so everything is like before. So yeah, also the forks, just on other settings. So yeah, it's very nice bike for now. So I'm sorry. So I got today one package. So it's from Shock Suspension. So this is for the information about the suspension. It's sticker. So rider name, spring rate of the springs, spring preload, compression setting, rebound setting, and the date when you done the suspension settings. Some fork stickers. This is something special. So this is the modification for these Explorer forks. So on these forks you have just compression settings here and rebound settings here down, here up. On the older version of the forks, on the KTM closed cartridge and open cartridge, you had like settings here down. So with this, I'm going to have one setting on the down. It will make big difference. It's for rebound side. So yeah, I also got some another shims to make it work better. For this you need to have a special tool to install this modification. So I'm going to install this soon and test it, and I'm going to update you about this. I forgot to show you one piston, so it's really it's broken. It's looking like the piston was overheating, so I need to open the engine and see what happened. So it's not looking nice, but yeah, it's from KTM Carb version. The bike is like from, it's old, like 10 years, but okay.